Ooh, that sun's trying to break through. Let's get some light on. First job, kettle's on. Feeling a bit better again this morning. A bit looser, not as tight round my chest. So, belting. That tidy up there today. And I can't get rid of that stump yet because I'm not fit for that yet. I can tidy all this crap up. And then this bottom needs sorted. A short front. So I would weed all this, see? Look at all that. Full of weeds. That one a bit sound, I suppose. Not be as many in here because there's more plants in here. Yeah, a few along there. Walk clean outside. Scrape all them weeds off. Sweep up. I brought that paint for painting them pillars and that. And they need painting as well. I don't know if I'll get them done today, but I might do. I'll get that wall done anyway. Yeah. So while that kettle's boiling, I'm going to weed in here quick. Get my gloves on. And that's one job out there. Gloves. I've weeded all that. Both sides. There's all weeds. So now I've just scraped all the loose paint off then. And I'll stick us up paint on. So we'll go and get my brew and get my chair and I'll sit here and just keep sitting down and having a paint. Yeah, so good that it's first coat. But I'm out to paint now. I've only got a bit left. I've only brought a bit up. Thought there was more in. So I might get a second dab on this. I'll have to do this half tomorrow. Look at all that crap again. What I've just scraped up from outside this wall. Now I'm sure that's not my job. There you go. Just another job for me to do. But yeah, it looks better, doesn't it? They need painting from, well, I'm going to paint them green. And all the rest of the wood inside brown. But, yeah, so I'll try to get a second coat on that and I'll get that scraped into compost. Well, there you go. I just managed to give it a second coat. But I will give it another coat that when I fix the other one up tomorrow. I'll finish that one off. Carol's got to come up today and think I'm going to go and do that side. I'm not Carol. I'll finish that off tomorrow and I'll bring the other paint up. And then get these wood painted. It's a lot neater than there, isn't it? Look at that full barrel full. Again. Rent goes up and you still have clean your own streets. Champion. So I've weeded all around there anyway. I've got to show you. Oh, look at these fruit trees. They're all pears on here. See them all there? There's loads of them everywhere. On that one as well, little pears. Right. There. So we've got plenty of fruit on the way. I knew we always do have on then. See if there's anything else. Looking like fruit. This pear tree's got nothing on again this year. Oh yeah, it has. A couple of little pears there. There you go. There. So I might get a couple of those. Juicy pear, that one. I'll not know about plums till later on. There you go. Yeah, there's loads of plums on. Oh, good. Because that's 6 years old, that tree now, and we had one plum last year. There should be loads of apples on them ones. That's a golden delicious. Oh yeah, they're just starting there now. Melting. Yeah, let's have a look at bacon apples. They should be pretty big if they've started off. I keep turning funny on this. Oh yeah, there you go. There's bacon apples. Got fruit on everyone up to now. So I can't remember which one this one was. Oh, this is the golden delicious, I think. Yeah, not started yet up here. Here we have. There you go. No. So they've been pollinated then. Oh, and this pear's full of pears. See, this is a juicy pear as well. Loads of them. All the way along, there you go. So we'll have loads of fruit. Them carrots are sown last week, I think, in that row. Just starting coming through, if you like. See there? So they'll catch up in no time. Now there you go. Remember yesterday morning I filled them right up to the top. Well, that's how much water they've had. And if you look right in the plant, it's all damp. You see? So that's not drunk so much, that cucumber over there, but that one has. But all these tomatoes are okay, so I'll leave that. Probably lasts, I don't know, a week, that water. And then you top it up. But don't let them dry right out. Otherwise it's like a continuous cycle, and it just, as long as it's touching that soil, it'll just pull it through. But if there's nothing at the bottom, it stops it. It's like an airlock in your system into the home, on your car, I suppose. And pumpkins looking stupendous, aren't they? Peppers are doing okay. Now they're going in pots then. They're going on these tables, and we'll take out, dismantle all that. Might do that tomorrow. And then the peppers can go in pots around here. So we're away from tomatoes. Right, I've got one put kettle on. I'll go and trim that grapevine up. Now third on, that implement there is ideal for snipping your grapevine. You can get right in. I'll show you what I mean now. At the end of that one there, that's got to come off. So we'll have a bunch of grapes there on the end. So I'll take all that end off. See? Now if I wanted, I could probably pop that up and make a little grapevine, but we don't need one. So I'll put it there. Right, this is bunched up at the end here, can you see? So that one can come off. We'll take that one off. Yeah. And then we've got all these grapes on here which we don't want that little one there. We'll take that off. And we'll leave that for now. Right, this one. Leave that for now. So we'll start at this long end. And now what I've got to do, I've got rid of this barnweed. I'll get the odd piece in now, but it's unsightly, especially if it's levels. Oh, the clippers there. Yeah, so basically all I'm going to do is clean up right bottom of this. Give me 2 minutes. Right, so I've cleaned up right bottom. So all these going up to the top there where it splits I don't want, so I'll take all these off and just split these off. Put them down there a minute. These are all taking energy off the front of your plant, which is where your grapes are growing. I don't want that one. I don't want that one. Yeah, so we're up to the split now. So we'll start on this one. Let's get our snippers. That one's got grapes on. That one, so I'll take all them three off there, can you see? I can snip it. Oh, I'm gonna. Snippers are not working. Yeah, I'm gonna snap them off. I'll need that snipper for the hand anyway. Oh, I'll tell you what. Something on the other side. Yeah, so that one can come off. That one can come off there. And that one I can snip off at the end. Yeah, so now I've got 2 bunches of grapes on there and it's snipped off at the end, so no other energy is going into there. We don't want that on there. We don't want that on there. And that on there. There. Yeah, so it's all clear now up to there. That's our first one. I've got 2 bunches of grapes on and I've cut it off at the end so it can't grow any longer. Now we'll have to keep our eye on these coming out in between now. So this one, like, it's all bunched up here. Don't want that on. Got 2 bunches on there, we only need one, so we'll take one off. So we'll take that one off the middle. This one, take that one off. We've got 2 on that one, see? We need one on. Don't need that one on the back. And we'll snip that one off at the end. How's that? You with that now? So I'm going to do that all the way along. Well, there you go. So it was a quick 10-minute job. So I've took all them suckers out, I'll pick them up in a minute. So now I've got one runner every 18 inches or so. I've snipped the end off there, I've snipped the end off there, I've snipped the end off there. But I've only snipped the ends off the end of them. I'm leaving them for grow a bit and I'll let them just, I'll snip them off. When I've spoke to Joe, because I just want to make sure I don't have to leave them any longer. But yeah, at least a bit neater, doesn't it? So you can see now that when it comes from there and that first one, it's going to pump all the energy into them grapes and stop there, so all the energy is going to stop in them grapes. Same with these. So hopefully Joe will be pleased with his little student. I've done that. Otherwise all output will find out tomorrow or Sunday. He'll be on. Definitely. That's another job done anyway. Just sweep them sweepings up. Won't get rested around that barrow. Tidy up round here. Have another brew. And then bugger off home, I think. There's a load to paint. And that's stone paint anyway. Nothing needs watering. Oh, oi oi. Oi oi. Oh, just in town. Right. See you tomorrow. Hopefully get the rest of that painting done. And do some more painting. That's all I've got for doing now. That's an easy little job for me. See you tomorrow.